Hello honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my crafty friends, today we're going to be dressing up these really fun, cute candy bars that I got for Halloween. These are the Kit Kat Halloween edition. They are orange chocolate and I got these at Target. I wanted to give these away to my co-workers, but I wanted to dress up the little candy bar in a very cute way. And so I'm going to show you how I actually came up with this adorable idea. Now, the good thing about this tutorial is you can actually use the regular size candy bars and you can dress them up the same way that we're going to do the little mini ones. So this is a nice way to either make favors for a Halloween party or give this to a friend or family, and it's gonna look, you know, fun to give away. So what we're gonna use is a doily that I have here, and you're going to kind of dress up your chocolate bar. We're going to add double-sided tape to the back of the bar, just very little tiny, and we're going to place the chocolate bar in the center of the doily. We're going to wrap it around, wrap one side first, put a little bit more of double-sided tape and wrap the other side. You're going to get this kind of like envelope look to the chocolate bar, and it just looks really, really cute and presentable. Now, what we're going to do for the little faces are very simple. I have here these toppers that I got at Michael's not too long ago. I love these. These are super cute. And so they have a whole bunch of different kinds of toppers. We're going to use this one for this project. And if you don't have toppers for some reason and you still want to create this project, don't go crazy. Go and find some pumpkin stickers or maybe like a ghost sticker, anything that's Halloween related that has like a face, and you can also create the same project with it, okay? So what we're gonna do is, here we have our little pick. We're gonna dress up the pick a little. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make a body for the pick. And how we're gonna make the body for the pick is we're going to use a pipe cleaner. You're gonna fold your pipe cleaner in half. And then you're gonna get two parts. This is going to be the body and this is going to be the arms. You're gonna fold one of the halves in halves again. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna twist these around. Just twist them around, twist them around. Okay, twist them around just like that. And you're gonna do the same thing with this one. You're gonna fold it in half, and you're going to twist them around, twist them around, twist them around, twist them around, twist them around. Okay, now we're going to create the body. We are going to make a U shape or a V shape, okay? So take one half, fold that in half to create sort of kind of like this V shape, okay? Take the other one and fold it in half again. Okay, just like that. So you're gonna have two U's, one going up, one going down. Now, what you're gonna do is, this curve right here, you're going to lock it with the other curve in the inside, see? So this curve right here, you're going to put it right in here. We're going to add some hot glue and we're going to glue these two curves together. That's what we're going to do. So get your hot glue, put a little bit of hot glue on the top of the curve, and then you're going to add this part of the pipe cleaner onto the inside curve, just like that. Now, Wait until it gets a little bit firm and a little bit dry, and then once it's a little bit cool, play around with it and just kind of squish it into each other, making sure that they are very well glued together. Okay, and now you're going to get a part that looks like that. This is going to be the legs. This is going to be the hands. Extend out the hands just like that, and you're going to extend out the legs. And what I like to do is I like to just extend out the tip of the pipe cleaner, making it look like those are the little feet. See that? And that kind of looks like a little body. That's the hands and that's the feet. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add this to the little topper. Let's measure a little bit how much we need to cut off the pick. So here we're gonna probably need roughly about right here. I kind of eyeball it and just go a little bit higher. I chop off the pick and I'm gonna add some hot glue right onto the pick, and I'm going to glue the body right over it. Okay, let's do that. You're going to glue the body right over the pick. Then you're going to turn it around and you're going to kind of squeeze it together, making sure that it glues well. And now you have a body and you have a head. And that's how you create these cute, adorable little embellishments. They're so cute. So cute. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some googly eyes, which is going to be basically almost the last thing we're going to do. And we're also going to add a little bow. Let's add the googly eyes first. You guys know me with the googly eyes. I love my googly eyes. I just woke up an hour ago and I wanted to make this video because I wanted to give these out today to my co-workers, but I wanted to show you guys also how to make them. So I'm kind of still half asleep, but I definitely wanted to make this video for you guys. Okay, so here you have a little bow, and I'm going to add the little bow right in the middle of the little body of the pumpkin. So take the bow and just add a little bit of hot glue and add the bow right in the center of the pumpkin. And that's how you create these adorable little embellishments. These are so cute. I love them. How cute are these? I love them. Now how I'm going to be attaching these are going to be very simple. So here we have our bar, right? Our chocolate bar. Take a string, something to wrap this around to kind of give it like a little belly look. Either a string, paper, whatever you have. I have this little tiny paper that I want to wrap this around the belly. So I'm going to measure it, give or take. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of make a little belly. So the opening, I'm going to make it on the back, making it easier for them to kind of pull it apart. So if they want to eat it, they can just pull this part apart, open. So let's do a little tape here, and we're going to glue this down, and then we're going to put some tape on this side, and we're going to glue this one down. See? And you're going to make like a cute little belly. And what I'm going to do is, that's where I'm going to attach my little pumpkin, right over the little belly. Before I do that, I'm going to add double-sided tape on the back of the pumpkin, and then I'm going to add my little pumpkin to the belly. This way, I'm not directly gluing it down to the doily. if for some reason they want to save this cute embellishment, all they gotta do is rip off the little belly and they can keep the embellishment and eat the chocolate. Kind of made it easier for them to, if they want to keep the little embellishment, they can. So all they gotta do is just rip this one off, keep their embellishment, and eat their chocolate. And that is how I create these adorable, super cute little treats that I'm going to be gifting to my coworkers. Okay, my babies? I hope that you enjoy watching me make this video. It's really a quick video, but I wanted to get this out there because I am going to be giving these away today and I wouldn't have any more samples to show you, so I wanted to definitely bring this out to you guys. So if you guys create these, make sure you tag me on Instagram. I hope that this was helpful for someone who's getting some ideas on how to put little goodies together. This would be a really great idea to do that. All right, babies, I love you all. Have a fantastic day. Please be safe out there, and I will see you on my next Halloween series video. Love you all. Bye, honey bunnies.